How to save video from CapCut to gallery. Welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you are able to easily save a video from your CapCut edits to your phone's gallery. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So CapCut is a versatile video editing app that offers a wide range of features, making it ideal for creating professional looking videos and social media content. So you can make basic video edits like cut and trim, you can split videos, you can combine videos or control the speed of your videos. You can also add text, fonts, and many more customizations as well. Once you have opened up your video, you can make your desired edit on this video. If you want, you can add filters and gradients. You can also add different kind of effects. You can also add keyframes like this. And once you are done editing, there is an export button on the top right corner right here. You can export a high resolution video from CapCut, and you can also customize the frame rate and aspect ratios as well. So if you tap on this resolution, you can move up to 4K or 2K, and you can adjust your frame rate up to 60 FPS. You can also change your code rate. I'm just going to leave it on recommended. And once you have done that, you will see this export button on the top right corner. Just tap on it. And once you do that, the video will start exporting like this, and you will be able to find this on your gallery. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.